A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. In the Holy Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that Allah is the best planner. This video is a testimony for that. How the Jewish mindset Elon Musk is helping Muslims and Muslim countries. Is it really true? Yes, it is 100% true. But before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe the channel and like the video. Let's begin the show. Here you will find 7 points by which you will come to know that how Elon Musk is helping Muslims and Muslim countries. Elon Musk is a billionaire, entrepreneur, investor and business magnate, known for founding and leading multinational high companies. Some of his companies are Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, X, which is formerly known as Twitter, and the Boring Company. In many of his interviews, Elon Musk has clearly stated that he is Jewish by association and aspirationally Jewish. Elon Musk is not directly associated with Islam in a religious or ideological sense. However, his technological advancements, business initiatives, and global influence have had indirect positive effects on the Muslim world in several ways. Here you get 7 points that gives you an in-depth analysis of how Elon Musk is contributing to Islamic communities and nations. Point number 1. Starlink and internet access in Muslim countries. Elon Musk Starlink, a satellite-based internet service provided by SpaceX, has the potential to transform connectivity in many Muslim-majority nations. Several Islamic countries suffer from poor internet infrastructure, particularly in rural areas. Starlink is already being used or planned for deployment in countries like Indonesia, which has the largest Muslim-majority population, Pakistan, Turkey, Nigeria, and other some Middle Eastern and North African nations. This internet access supports education, business, remote work, and digital entrepreneurship, key factors in economic and social development. So this was the point number 1. Now we come to the point number 2. Point number 2 is Tesla's role in sustainability and environmental protection. Allah has made us Khalifa on this earth. Islam emphasizes the stewardship of the earth, that's Khilafah, and the responsibility to protect the environment. Tesla, under Musk's leadership, significantly contributed to sustainability. He has contributed sustainability and environmental protection through various steps like electric vehicles, reducing dependence on fossil fuels, which many Islamic scholars support as an ethical and responsible environmental move. Then solar energy solutions. Tesla's solar panels and battery storage systems can provide energy solutions for Muslim nations reliant on expensive fossil fuel imports or facing energy crises. Now his green economy move, encouraging the transition to renewable energy and aligns with the Islamic principles of reducing waste and preserving natural resources. Countries like UAE, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, and Morocco are investing heavily in solar power, and Musk's technologies could play a pivotal role in their green transition. Point number 3 is space exploration and scientific inspiration. Islam has a rich history of astronomy and scientific discovery, from Al-Biruni, Ibn al-Hazm, and Al-Khwarizmi to modern Muslim scientists. SpaceX is inspiring a new generation of Muslim youth to engage in astronomy and space sciences, rocketry and aeronautics, STEM, that is science, technology, engineering and mathematics education. Several Muslim-majority countries like the UAE with their Hope Mars mission and Turkey with their national space program have ambitious space goals, and SpaceX could be a collaboration in future projects. So this way, in point number 3, we come to know that how their ambition for space exploration and scientific inspiration is being held by Elon Musk. Now we come to point number 4. Point number 4 is about free speech and social media influence. Elon Musk's acquisition of Twitter, now we call it X, has had a significant impact on digital speech and narratives. Some ways this affects Islam and Muslims. X is giving a voice to independent Muslim thinkers, scholars, and communities without fear of censorship. Highlighting issues like Palestine, Kashmir, and Rohingya oppression, which are often downplayed by mainstream media. By promoting a more open platform, Muslims worldwide have found a greater space to share their concerns, faith, and cultural heritage. This way, Elon Musk's free speech and social media influence is helping Muslims and Muslim countries to promote their message. Point number 5, that says job creation and investment in Muslim majority nations. Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and other scale companies generate jobs and investments worldwide, including in Islamic nations. For example, Turkey and the UAE have shown interest in working with Tesla. Saudi Arabia is investing in EV production, and Tesla's presence could benefit their Vision 2030 goals. Pakistan, Indonesia, and Malaysia are key players in lithium and nickel mining. These are essential for Tesla's batteries. And partnerships with Tesla could boost their economies as well. His influence encourages entrepreneurship, innovation, and industrial growth in Islamic nations. This way, through job creation, Elon Musk is helping Muslim countries. Point number 6 is support for innovation and future technologies. This way, Elon Musk is helping us, Muslim Ummah. Islam has always encouraged scientific progress and must focus on AI, Neuralink that connects brain-computer interfaces, then Boring Company, that is for infrastructure and tunnel mining, and Hyperloop, that is for transportation, aligns with this tradition. Through AI and automation, many Muslim nations, especially Qatar, UAE, and Saudi Arabia, are investing in AI and could benefit from Musk's advancements. Through his futuristic transport system, Hyperloop could revolutionize Hajj and Umrah pilgrimages by making travel faster and more efficient in Saudi Arabia. Healthcare advances through Neuralink could help people with disabilities, including Muslim communities needing advanced medical technology. So this way, innovation and future technologies are helping Muslims. Point number 7. Point number 7 is philanthropy and humanitarian aid. While Musk is not publicly known for major donations to Muslim charities, his innovations have indirectly supported humanitarian efforts, including Starlink deployment in disaster-hit areas, which could benefit Muslim nations facing crises like floods in Pakistan or earthquakes in Turkey. Technology donations for medical and educational causes. Potential future involvement in charitable causes for Muslim refugees and displaced communities. There is growing interest in how Musk's vast wealth could be used for global humanitarian aid, including support for Muslim majority regions in need. These 7 points are highly helpful for Muslim nations. While Elon Musk is not directly promoting Islam, his technological innovations and business ventures align with many Islamic principles such as knowledge seeking, environmental care, and economic development. His influence empowers Muslim majority nations with technology, encourages sustainability in line with Islamic teachings, provides educational and economic opportunities, supports open dialogue and on import and Muslim issues. This way we come to know that though Elon Musk is not thinking that he is helping Muslims, or though he is not directly contributing to Muslims, but still, Allah is taking word from him and Muslim Ummah is being benefited by his moves. Allah is the best planner. Friends, these are some insightful, profound thoughts. If you really love them, please share the video, like it, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.